I'm not feeling so nervous now. It's perfect, isn't it? Good morning, everyone. Today is the 17th of September 2025, and today my newly acquired Suzuki GSX1400, 24 years old, is going for its first MOT, its first annual check. This bike has been kept in the dark for 23 years of its 24-year life. This bike has never had an MOT, and as you can see with the weather outside, it's absolutely wet through. Which brings me to a concern. These tyres are 24, 25 years old, and they are as hard as nails, and those roads are wet and slippy. I have about 3 miles to ride to TMS Motorcycles near Eccleshall, Staffordshire, where they will be MOTing the bike, giving it its annual check, and putting on a new set of tyres. Road 5s I think I'm going for. I hope it passes. It's never ever had an MOT. In its 24 years of life, it's never had an MOT. As you probably know, after 3 years of age, a vehicle has to have an MOT every year. This one was put away and kept in the dark in a warm garage for 23 years. I've changed all the fluids, clutch fluid, brake fluid, front and rear, engine oil, engine filter, air filter. What else have I done? A couple of other little things. I've given her a good wash, a little bit of a polish, but you can see that she's in beautiful condition and beautiful standard condition. There's nothing, this is how she came out of the factory 24, 25 years ago. I'm not looking forward to the ride on these tyres that are as hard as nails, but I've got no option. If I had a van, I'd probably put it in the van. But it is 3 miles, 3.5 miles to TMS Motorcycles. A newly opened business about 1.5 years ago. And I'll have put up a flash up of TMS, and we'll take it from there. I'm a bit nervous, to tell you the truth, of riding this muscle bike on such conditions, on such tyres that are hard, and hopefully, fingers crossed, she will pass her MOT, and that means that we can now start to ride this bike. This bike is not taxed, it has no MOT, I am insured to ride the bike, and I have an appointment booked for the MOT, which means I can take this vehicle, whatever vehicle it is, drive it on the UK roads without tax or without an MOT to the MOT station. Later on today, I'll leave it there, and then later on this afternoon, we'll catch up and I'll tell you the result of the MOT and the new tyres and all that good stuff. Fingers crossed. Let's get this 24-year-old GSX 1400 back on the road and let's see where we can go. Right, I better go and get changed. I better go and get changed and take this out. Come and join me on the ride. Okay, here we are coming into Eccleshall, and it's only 2 or 3 miles away. TMS Motorcycles. I am feeling nervous on these tyres, but it is wet. I'll keep wiping the lens. Hopefully it clears up later. Oh, what a beautiful machine. This engine is so smooth and so silky. Absolutely beautiful. 9 o'clock traffic. And no one knows which way to go. Let's just wait for this. Here we go. Who's going? He's not going. No one's going. Oh dear. Here's the local floods in Eccleshall. Whenever it rains, it floods. Anyway, that's a different subject. So here we are. The bike has got 21,800, sorry, not 21,000, it's 2,188 miles, or thereabouts. And, you know, she's as smooth as anything. The clutch is slightly heavier than a typical modern clutch, but only slightly heavier. And, you know, she's great. She feels light. I know that she's a heavy bike. She's got about half a tank in, maybe a third of a tank in of fuel, but, you know, she's absolutely wonderful. She doesn't feel heavy at all. Can't wait to get Tina and Susie on the back of this on a drier day. Let me wipe that. Oh, wipe that lens on this horrible, horrible day in the UK. But it is warm, so for the first time I've put my textile trousers on for quite a couple of months, and I've noticed once again I'm losing weight. That's through the diabetes. I'm losing weight again. So I have to keep a track on that. Don't want to lose too much weight. Tina says my soda belly is reducing, which is a good sign, I guess. A good sign. Now it's not here. No, it's not here. The gearbox feels super slick. Absolutely beautiful. The engine has got so much torque. So hopefully it'll pass its MOT. Let's get to TMS. Okay, here we are coming up to TMS. And just down this little lane. Here we go, TMS. Unit 4. And let's just turn in here to Birch House Lane Industrial Estate. So that's where TMS is. Let's just wipe that. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. At least I've got here in one piece. That's got to be good news. Got to be good news. Here we go. Here we go. Quality used motorcycles. There we go. That wasn't so bad. What a beautiful bike to ride. Oh. There we go. We've got there in one piece. What do you think? What do you think? I'm not feeling so nervous now. It's perfect, isn't it? Let's turn off the cameras. Hey everyone. Well, the GSX1400 has passed its test. It's MOT. Let's take it back home. Let's just get that straight. Its first ever MOT. They had to do some registration or something because it was its very first MOT. 2,193 miles it's got on there. Let me just stop here. And it's got some new Road 5s on it, which are brand new, so they will need scrubbing in. There was a bit of an advisory on the front calipers saying that there was a little bit of binding, so I thought that might be the case on the front and rear. It has been sat for 23 years, but that's it. It's now road legal. I now need to go home and register the car with the DVLA for tax. Register the bike for the tax. How much is that? £120 a year? My goodness, it's endless money. But not to worry. Here we go. So these are brand new tyres, of course, which are super sticky, but they do need scrubbing in. But they feel much better than the original ones, which were from when it was registered. My goodness. The guys have been really good at TMS. They charged a fair price for the tyres and the MOT. So that's great news. Great news. I'm pleased about that. On the way home to do my work. And if the dry weather keeps up tonight, I might take it out for another ride. But she's beautiful. She's absolutely beautiful. I'm really pleased that it's passed its MOT. Its very first MOT. 2,194 miles. Wow. And the guys at TMS couldn't believe it. They just couldn't believe it. They've been really good at TMS. Mark and the team have been really good. There's a couple of things that need doing on it cosmetically, and there's Nigel who does all the cleaning and ceramic painting and all that good stuff. I'll put his details up right now. We're going to be having a quick chat about how we bring everything back to something that's reasonably clean on, you know, some of the engine casings and things like that. And maybe Nigel can do that for me, on the understanding I don't have much time. Which is fair enough. She rides beautifully. Beautifully. This seat is like a sofa. It doesn't. This bike does not feel heavy, and she's ginormous. She doesn't feel heavy at all. Absolutely lovely. I'm so pleased I bought her. Him. I bought him. He's a he. I've got to remember that. What do you think? Comments below. How much the guys at TMS were estimating how much this is worth if it was sold privately. On the understanding that I'm the second owner, it's only got 2,000 miles on it, It's never been MOT'd. It's now been MOT'd. How much do you think this is worth on the open market? Comments below. I've not got an intention of selling it just yet. Yes. But how much do you think this is worth? How much do you think it would sell on the open market? Or even an auction? Reliant Robin coming up. There we go. You don't see many of those around now. They were around, they were massive in Rotherham and Sheffield. So I believe. Reliant Robin. That's older than this. Oh my goodness, this clutch, and it just feels lovely. It just feels lovely. Just wants a deep clean now to bring her back. Him, bring him back, isn't him? I'll bring the video to an end. Hope you enjoyed it. There's lots more coming on the GSX1400. Please do subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and to those that are subscribed, I thank you very much. Coming on 9,000 subscribers now. I think I'm about, what is it, maybe 8,700 subscribers, something like that. Unbelievable. And if you do enjoy the video, give it a like. There will be more on the GSX1400 in the very, very, very near future. I've got to get this bike riding before the real winter comes in. Just listen to that. Wow. Let's wait for this car to go. No one's... Oh, it's a terrible roundabout. Terrible roundabout. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ride safely and have a great time. And don't forget to give the video a like if it meant something to you. My goodness, I can't believe I was so lucky to get this bike. See you soon. Ride safely, and I'll see you soon. Oh. Bye bye.